everyone, I'm here today with Upfront Septic, and today we'll be going over whether every house has a septic tank or not. To start off, not all homes have a septic tank. Whether a home has one depends on its location and whether it is connected to a municipal sewer system. To get started, here are a few ways to tell if your home has a septic tank or not. One way to tell is your water bill. If you only get a water bill and not a separate sewer bill, you likely have a septic system. Access cover. Look for a concrete or plastic cover in your yard. This is often a sign of a septic tank. Ask the previous owner or neighbors. They may know whether your property has a septic system. Hire a septic professional. That way a septic expert can inspect your property and confirm if you have a septic tank. The pros and cons of septic tanks are, the pros are independence from public sewer, so you aren't relying on city sewer services. Lower monthly costs, no sewer bills, but maintenance costs still do apply. Environmental benefits, which include properly maintained septic systems, filter wastewater into soil, helping local groundwater. The cons are maintenance. Regular pumping every 3 to 5 years is required, and neglecting this can lead to expensive repairs. Space requirements, which include a large drain field that is needed, which may not fit on smaller properties. System failure. Improper maintenance can lead to system failures such as backups or leaks. Signs that your septic system may need replacing include frequent backups, odors, pooling water, or lush grass, and lastly, a generally old system. Septic tanks are common in rural and suburban areas without access to a public sewer system. They require regular maintenance to avoid costly repairs and environmental damage. If you're unsure whether your home has a septic system, ask the previous owner, check for an access cover, or contact a professional. Staying informed about your septic system helps it work efficiently and avoids problems down the line. So to learn more, visit us at upfrontseptic.com. And thank you so much for joining in. We'll see you guys next time.